Hey everybody, it's Dave Robles from Think Real Estate, bringing you episode number 6 of the great California Corona Staycation Show. And today we're talking about some stuff you might have around you that's probably really dirty. And maybe you didn't think about it, or maybe you need to think about it again. First one is, yes, your laptop that you're probably living on right now as you stream Netflix. First thing you want to do, get one of them sprayers, get all them cookie crumbs off of your keyboard, get some isopropyl alcohol and a nice microfiber cloth, okay? Put the alcohol on the cloth and then on the keyboard. Do not pour the alcohol on the keyboard. Very bad, very, very bad, okay? There you go. This is a Corona-free keyboard if I've ever seen one, okay? Next thing you gotta clean is your cell phone, which is just, did you know? Cleaning doorknobs is super important. We use Clorox disinfectant wipes. Pull one out, give it a good clean off there. Cleaning Fluffy is pretty easy. Just make sure he's washer and dryer safe and throw him in the washing machine. Or burn them in the backyard incinerator. So there you go, guys. Those are some things you need to be cleaning more often than you are, because you're dirtying those things more often than you are. And we need you to stay healthy. Take care of one another. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.